Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So someone asked me what are the price target for each wave. Well, it depends which count we are following. So I think now I'm going to leave it for the moment. Actually, maybe let me remove it. Micro counting. It's good until it's it's crazy. So even this one, I'm not even sure. But we can just check the bigger picture and have a better idea on the level. So if I take my brush, if I count this as a wave 1 and this is a wave 2 in yellow, and this is the third wave, we almost reach, or technically almost reach, the 1.38. So now if I see a reaction in price, then I'm going to go with possibly discount, and I'm going to set the fib retracement for this fourth wave when the price it really find a rejection. I could just do and put a trend line here, something like that. If you really start to break, then, or actually do something like that. If the latest, because you can see we are having a different slope. We had something like this, and this is more steep. So if I keep the trend line here, by the time it's going to cross, maybe the fourth wave it's already finished. So it's not really helpful. So it's better to have a short-term uptrend line, and if you start to break, then maybe that's the earlier sign that a correction is folding. Now, the other count is the light blue. So this is like an A, a B, and a C. Don't like really the proportion, but still feasible or possible. So this is still a second wave 2, and we're working into this third wave. Once again, for this count, well, the price needs to go a little bit higher. So we're talking about 6 cents 5 or 6 cents 7. Yeah, and this is what I am following for the moment. So we have two scenarios. It could very be possible that we go higher. I just want to add the 1-to-1 ratio to see where we are. A lot of time 1-to-1 ratio, there is something happening. So we shall see. And I had another question here on the daily. So zooming far out, I see a triangle structure unfolding on the daily chart. There is a trend line coming down from, so it's this one here. And then, I'm guessing you're saying this one here like that. Yeah, you are right. And this is the kind of decision point. And today, actually, for the first time, if it continue like this, it looks like he is trying to challenge this very long-term downtrend. And you're right, that's more than 1 year, right? So can he do it though? Because the last time he attempted, price got rejected big time, not so long ago. But it's nice because he used the MA50 and MA200 to as a support. And also on top of that now, we just said it now. But maybe this chart is not that old, that's why. Let me go and check this one. Yeah, okay. A little bit better. I don't remember where was it. Yeah. So you can see that now, at least, we are having a golden cross. And this is when the MA50 overcome the MA200. So that's also positive. But now the question is, can he really do it? Can he break this trend? So let me go back on this one now. yeah, so we need this. We need bread to really break out from the downtrend line, momentarily do a retest. It's okay. Even if we can hold this level, because this was a previous resistance that can flip, seriously, can flip support. So a short fall on this one, and maybe side consolidation between this support and the downtrend, and after I can recharge and I can push higher. That would send a message now that Brett is ready to do something more bullish. That would be very, very, very nice. And let me go on the other one here. So we said, actually maybe I should just put the downtrend here also. I think it's too messy, honestly. Yeah, it's better to do it differently. Maybe 4 hours. So for this scenario to play out, you can see that now, yeah, we are reaching the almost ideal third wave. We almost reach it. It would be even better if we can push higher, honestly. So let's see if we can do that. Ethereum, honestly, it was skyrocketing. It is fair now to take a rest, I think. I wouldn't be surprised now if we're doing a fourth wave eventually. Don't even know where is it. Here you are. I think I can also remove those little things here. And it's not because it's making a correction that, we're done with it. It can even push higher. So let's see if I take it from here. Yeah, okay, so until it doesn't break this trend line, I would say we still there is still an opportunity that price can push higher, just taking a rest. But proportion are very nice. It did reach the 1.618, that's great. In a case that this correction also it's starting, fourth wave. So this would be the retracement. Don't you know? I started with Brett. I don't know why now I am on Ethereum. So back on Brett, just this is a momentum, right? Because if people now they're taking gains on Ethereum, then maybe it's going to really skyrocket and push higher. And while I say that, it's Brett is about to break the uptrend I just put. Well, it's nice to be right, and it's less nice when you try to, price could even push higher, and then boom. Actually, no, this is good because now we're going to know right away in a few hours if price can hold and push higher, or if we started this correction. Anyway, did the job, right? Third wave, 1.38, great. Now RSI, just to have a quick idea on the 4 hours. So this is the third wave. I honestly would prefer if we can push higher and if we could reach the RSI level a little bit higher. And then we would have, a well-deserved rest. That would be great. Once again, we need to remember, though, that when we have a golden cross, this is delayed indicator. So this perhaps when it happens, we are about or already started a pullback, and it did went up like crazy. So yeah, it's a pullback. It's becoming, and the only thing now make me, I don't want to say worry, but it would have been best if this happened when we completed or at least we already did the 4 and working on a 5 or a fifth wave and almost there, right? We need to see now if this doesn't once again become like a diagonal, and that would be a little bit disappointing, but it is what it is. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. And actually, thank you for the question. You know, it's like it's very helpful. All right, to everybody. And yeah, all right, have a good day. Have a nice weekend. Bye.